Welcome to FoxLearn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a simple report using DevExpress Report Designer. Drag a ribbon report designer from the Visual Studio toolbox into your winforms. The report designer allows you to create data-bound reports and provides a rich set of tools to construct report layouts that meet your requirements. Click on New Report button to create a new report, then add a data source to your report. We will use the Northwind database to play demo. If you don't have the Northwind database, you can download it from C# Code website. Right-click on the report, then add a page header to your report. Next, you can drag a label into the page header, then you can change the label text and font size. Drag a table from the report toolbox into the detail. Next, drag the fields of customer from the field list toolbox into the table. Drag a table from the report toolbox into the page header, then add the columns corresponding to the columns in the detail. You can use the page setup to change the paper size, orientation, or margins. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.